7 things every homeowner should check this Sunday. If you are sitting at home right now, this video is not here to scare you. It is here to save you from that one expensive sentence every homeowner eventually says, "I probably should have checked that sooner." So this is the Sunday homeowner checklist. 7 things you can check today without pretending you are a contractor and without getting yourself hurt. Rule number 1 before we start: if something smells like gas, sparks, shocks you, leaks badly, involves live electrical work, requires climbing higher than you are comfortable with, or you simply do not understand what you are looking at, stop and call a qualified professional. Pride is cheaper than an emergency room bill. Number 1, check your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms. Do not just look at them and say, "Yeah, they're probably fine." Hit the test button. Make sure everyone in the house knows what the alarm sounds like. Look at the date on the back if you can safely reach it. Smoke alarms do not live forever, and carbon monoxide alarms do not either. You want smoke alarms in the right areas of the house, including bedrooms, outside sleeping areas, and each level. Carbon monoxide alarms should also be on each level and outside sleeping areas, especially if you have fuel-burning appliances or an attached garage. And if a carbon monoxide alarm goes off, do not play detective inside the house. Get outside to fresh air and call emergency services. Number 2, check your ceiling fan direction. This one sounds small, but it's one of those homeowner things people never get taught. In summer, your ceiling fan should normally run counterclockwise so you feel a cooling breeze underneath it. In winter, many fans can reverse and run clockwise on low speed to help move warm air down from the ceiling. The fan cools people, not rooms, so if nobody is in the room, turn it off. Otherwise, you're just paying to stir empty air. Number 3, check your HVAC filter. Pull the filter and actually look at it. If it looks like it's been living in a coal mine, change it. Energy Star says to check filters monthly during heavy use seasons and change them at least every 3 months or sooner if they're dirty. A dirty filter makes your system work harder, wastes energy, and can help turn a small maintenance task into an expensive service call. And yes, make sure the airflow arrow points the right direction when you put the new one in. That arrow matters. Number 4, check your dryer vent and lint situation. Clean the lint filter before or after every load. Then look behind the dryer and outside where the vent exits. If the hose is crushed, full of lint, kinked, disconnected, or the outside flap barely opens when the dryer runs, that is not just annoying. That can become a fire problem. The U.S. Fire Administration warns that failure to clean is a major factor in home clothes dryer fires.
If clothes are taking longer than normal to dry, or they feel hotter than usual at the end of a cycle, your vent may be restricted. Do not ignore that. Clean what you can safely reach, and if the run is long, clogged, damaged, or you are not sure, call someone who services dryer vents. Number 5, find your main water shutoff. Not someday, today. If a supply line breaks, a water heater starts leaking, or a pipe lets go, the worst time to learn where the shutoff is would be while water is running across the floor. Find it, make sure adults in the house know where it is. If it is safe, gently verify the valve is not buried behind boxes, painted solid, or impossible to reach. Do not force an old valve if it feels stuck. That is how a small problem becomes a new problem. Put it on the list and call a plumber if needed. Number 6, test your GFCI outlets. Those are the outlets with test and reset buttons, usually around kitchens, bathrooms, garages, basements, laundry areas, and outside. A GFCI is designed to cut power fast when it detects a ground fault, helping protect people from severe shock. Press test, the power should shut off. Press reset, the power should come back. If it does not trip, will not reset, feels hot, buzzes, sparks, or anything about it seems wrong, stop using it and call a qualified electrician. Do not get brave with electricity. Electricity does not care how confident you felt when you started. Number 7, Walk outside and look at gutters, downspouts, and drainage. You do not need the climb on the roof to learn something useful. Look from the ground. Are the gutters packed with leaves? Are downspouts disconnected? Is water dumping right next to the foundation? Is the ground sloping toward the house instead of away from it? Water is patient. It will find the lazy spot in your house and keep working on it. Downspouts should move water away from the foundation. If you see pooling near the house, erosion, overflowing gutters, or water stains where they should not be, that is a Sunday note to fix it before the next big rain. Again, do not climb a sketchy ladder to prove a point. If the gutter is high, steep, or you are uncomfortable, call someone with the right equipment. So, here is the checklist: smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, ceiling fan direction, HVAC filter, dryer vent, main water shutoff, GFCI outlets, gutters, downspouts, and drainage. None of this is flashy. That is the point. Homeownership is not just big remodels and new tools. Most of the time, it's catching small problems before they turn into expensive weekends. So pick one thing from this list and check it today. If you check all 7, congratulations, you just did more useful home maintenance than half the neighborhood. This is Homeowner Checklist Sunday. Next Sunday, we will go deeper on one of these and show you exactly what to look for.